Welcome back, everybody. Did you know that last month was the 49th anniversary of Earth Day? And what better way to celebrate than with some recycling and some purging? It's all part of the spring cleaning process, right? It's time for us to get it together again with Laura Souders, who joins us once again. Laura, thanks for being here. And as we get it together, we're also going to be getting rid of some things, right?
Yeah, purging is a big part of the organizing process.
Yes.
You decide what you don't need, what you don't use, what you don't love, and then where's it all going to go?
Right, and we all want to get rid of things that we don't need. Sometimes it's making those tough decisions. So what are the best ways to get rid of some of these things?
Well, one of the things that I know people have a lot of problems getting rid of are cell phones.
Yeah, good point.
We're always upgrading our cell phones, especially in my house. I know we have a million of them. So if you take these to the Verizon on Jonestown Road in Harrisburg, they have a program where they recycle them, refurbish them, and they sell them, and the proceeds go to benefit people of domestic violence.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So and so they can be used for someone else.
Okay, wonderful. So that's kind of, and it's easy. Like you said, you just go there and they're out
Drop
of your hands. Perfect. And then laptops too, because we have a couple of these sitting around the house too that we don't use anymore.
It's always, ours are always breaking. Something, it's too expensive to repair, so you buy a new one.
Right.
So not only laptops, but computers, VCRs, DVD players, keyboards, printers, fax machines, they can all go to the Mission Central in Mechanicsburg, where they have a program. They fix them. They have a great computer ministry where they fix it. The volunteers fix it. They sell them for low amounts to people in need. And anything they can't fix, they use the parts and recycle them. It goes to their program as well.
Wonderful. So it really is about not only kind of getting rid of stuff, but donating, like you said. And then we're moving down the line here to some books, some puzzles. We all have these that maybe we don't use anymore, right?
Yeah, as long as they're in working condition here, the puzzles have the pieces, the books are gently used. They can go to many of the local libraries, like the East Shore Library has a book sale coming up.
Okay.
So we know the books can go, but also puzzles and DVDs can go. CDs, things like that, they can also be sold there, so you can get rid of those.
Okay, and then coming down here, we've got I see Oprah here.
Yes. If you have magazines or catalogs you're ready to get rid of, they could go to the Ronald McDonald House Charities.
Okay.
And there's bins located all over the area. You can just Google to find a bin close to you.
And I'll tell you what, we have a lot of these. My wife likes to read the magazines, and we pile them up. They don't take them recycling anymore in some areas.
Right.
So that is a great piece of advice there if you're looking to get rid of something.
Yeah. Any magazines or glossy type paper, they will take them there.
Perfect. And then towels and sheets.
Yes, sheets and towels. We end up getting a lot of those, and how many can you use, for rags?
Right.
So places like pet shelters or the Humane Society on Grayson Road in Harrisburg will take them and they put them in the animals' beds to make them a little bit more comfortable.
Yep, we have donated to places like that as well because the animals need them too. So recycling, that if things aren't able to be donated, right? Another thing that you can do?
Yes, you can always take things to Community Aid, to Salvation Army, places like that. Even old clothing, old towels. Don't worry about if it's last year's style or if something's missing. They bundle up bulk clothing that they can't sell, and they sell the fabric, so they still make money on it.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much again for being here as we get it together and kind of do some spring cleaning. Appreciate it. Absolutely, Laura. All right, coming up next, more Good Day PA. We'll be right back.